HMAS Melbourne was a Majestic-class light aircraft carrier operated by the Royal Australian Navy from 1955 until 1982 and was the third and final conventional aircraft carrier to serve in the RAN. Melbourne was the only Commonwealth naval vessel to sink two friendly warships in peacetime collisions. Melbourne was laid down for the Royal Navy as the lead ship of the Majestic-class in April 1943 and was launched as HMS Majestic in February 1945. At the end of the Second World War, work on the ship was suspended until she was purchased by the RAN in 1947. At the time of purchase, it was decided to incorporate new aircraft carrier technologies into the design, making Melbourne the third ship to be constructed with an angled flight deck. Delays in construction and integrating the enhancements meant that the carrier was not commissioned until 1955. Melbourne never fired a shot in anger during her service career, having only peripheral, non-combat roles in relation to the Indonesia-Malaysia confrontation and the Vietnam War. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.